The name of the channel is Bus Collection Florida. This is T-Joe from T-Joe's Model Buses and More. And today we're featuring back to our Road Champs Police Series. And we got here, it's Oregon State Patrol, State Police, Chevrolet Caprice. Nice and shiny for you. And plain color scheme or livery for the time. And bring our second car here. Well, just to show you, the doors opened and trunk opens, and I'm doing a voiceover today, and I'm very inexperienced at this, and somebody with a blower outside is creating a lot of background noise, so I like to usually narrate as I go. So you may find a few oddities, but anyway, they are 1/43rd scale, and now we're going to bring out a second car for sure. There we go, the Arizona State Patrol with their 91 through 92 Chevrolet Caprice 9C1 police package vehicle. And that was a favorite among police officers because it was so roomy. And the ones that came with the LT1 engine, 350 cubic inch Corvette engine, were quite fast. City cars mostly had the 305 V8. Some of them in 94 so had the 4.3 liter V8, not V6 but V8. There's a light bar, red and blue. Kind of a generic livery, but still looks pretty good. I used to have, that I drove for many years, a 1992 Caprice from the Palm Beach Sheriff's Office. I put almost 200,000 miles in that car. It had the 305, and it ran pretty good. Top speed was great. I took it up to 130 miles an hour just once. It's nice and shiny. Hope you enjoy the police cars. I still have a few more to show you in my collection. And this is the city of Quebec City, Canada. Fleet number 6683. And these cars here, as soon as I show them, I'm going to be packing them up because we may be relocating next year. So I'm going to start packing up. I got quite a collection to show y'all. So I said 1/43rd scale, and I'm doing a voiceover, and it is new to me. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed it. Here's the three of them together. If you all have a channel for me to check out, let me know. And I'll return the favor. Look at that. 3 Caprices in a row. No Fords on this episode. Maybe the next one. And when we continue this series, we may have a surprise or two for you. But anyways, it's been a very hot day here in South Florida, but we're in air-conditioned comfort. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.